So let's say that I just want to create a video game. That's what I'm doing. Making games. Making a game. Let's start with the game, that's all. There is some kind of rules where you need to have 50% of coding, making 3D models, for example, animations, some design, as in dev. That's a lot of work. And you also need to spend 50% of your time marketing. So joking about I'm just forcing stuff on myself, that's true. That's what I'm doing. When I make a game and I want to get a result, so I want to make progress, what I will do is very simple. I will reuse what I'm doing. So we will have streams, because streaming is like marketing in a way. You are building an audience and you are creating content for your YouTube channel, and from the streams you can also, and that's what Primeagen is doing, I really like TO also, you can create videos from your streams. You will see that there is a button where you can just create content from everything you do and market your game and your work at the same time and build an audience. The result of making streams, so you will make progress, but at the same time you will get an audience. But the same with the videos. So everything is quite connected. And from making a game, you can also create articles, devlogs, and it will create a different channel for your audience. But everything will get back to having an audience. Okay. That's all. That's what I try to do currently. And for me, the streams will be like about let's see, what time is it? I started at almost 10 p.m. 22. So let's say 10 p.m. until midnight. And it creates a lot of content, if you think about it. And yeah, from your game you can get money, but that's not sure. Maybe you will not get any money, but you shouldn't try to make a game just for money. I mean, at some point you need to think about money, of course. But if you think about money from the very beginning, then you will have some kind of a barrier. Like you will try to reach money, and if you try to reach money, then maybe you will not take the time to do, I don't know, articles, devlogs, or videos, because you're constantly thinking about money. So what you need to have as an input, it's money, but you need to have a job, a job, for example. Or you can be, I don't know, an independent consultant or something like that. In my case, it's still a technical job, coding, which also had some kind of input to me making a game, because that's some skills I can get. So it's just transformed into an input for my game in a way. For example, Git. Using Git, I learned it during my different jobs. So everything is connected. You need to find a pattern to connect everything. And that's what I really like in making a game. It's a quite complex pattern that you can create, and I recommend it for any game dev. Find your skills that you can reuse, and you will have some skills to learn. That's the case for me with making animations and 3D models, so that's completely new for me. So you need to get new skills, and this is taking time. So I really need to leverage on what I already have, my strength, my current skills, so I can have time to develop new skills. That's very simple, but that's what you need to do. And that's what I try to do. Do I have a game dev tech job? No, I don't have any game dev job. I'm a test engineer. I'm a software developer, engineer, and tests. So I create specific tools for testing purposes. So I help developers and QA teams to automate their tests, to get reports of the defects, detect any bugs in different environments, and that's what I do in the web environment mostly. And yeah, it's very useful. So I have testing skills, for example. It's coding, but also testing. And I also have web dev skills because I did some full stack development during one of my jobs. So I can create a website which is used to market also my different stuff. So I made indiedevcast.com. Just a simple website, but just by using my previous skills. That's all. And that's what I think indie dev should do.